If you've been considering refinancing but feel like you waited too long, or have another reason that you don't want to go through the refinance process, I have a suggestion for you, and it'll help you potentially lower your monthly mortgage payment without refinancing. Whatever you put down on your mortgage, once you reach 78% loan to value, then you can remove what's called private mortgage insurance from your monthly mortgage payment. Now, traditionally, that mortgage insurance falls off once you have paid down your mortgage to that amount. But you can use the equity and the appreciation that's taken place in the last few years to get there a heck of a lot faster. And by faster, I mean now. So by taking the monthly mortgage insurance off, you might save $50, $100, $200 a month. Let me show you how to figure out if you can do this. The first step is to figure out if you're paying private mortgage insurance. So you can look it up on your online banking for the mortgage or your monthly statement that you receive in the mail or through email. Now, mortgage insurance is different than homeowners or hazard insurance, so it's important that you figure out whether you're paying actually private mortgage insurance. On the breakdown of your payment on the statement, it will either say PMI or mortgage insurance in the breakdown of your monthly payment. So it'll say principal and interest, taxes and insurance, which is a different insurance, and if you pay private mortgage insurance, it will be listed separately. Step 2 is to contact me so I can help you determine what the current market value is of your home. So you'll be able to share with me what your mortgage balance is, and I will go through and help determine what I think the fair market value would be. Now, it's important that you don't rely on any online indicators, tax value, what your neighbor's house sold for, or anything like that. Because if you're close to that 78% mark, but not quite there, you do not want to move on to step 3. You only want to go to step 3 if you're sure that your mortgage insurance can be removed. Step 3 is to contact your lender and tell them that you want to have the PMI removed. The best way to do that is to call the customer service number and work on speaking to an actual human being. Most of the time, they'll either send you a form or help you to fill out a form online while they're on the phone with you. And they will want you to pay to have an appraisal done. The appraiser will determine the market value, and that will basically figure out if you are at that 78% or better mark for the bank. A full site appraisal will cost somewhere around $400 or $500. It will be less if they do an online evaluation. You probably want them to do an on-site appraisal because that will give you the most value. And if you're close to that 78%, you want to make sure that appraisal comes in as high as possible so that you can, in fact, get that mortgage insurance taken off. Make sure you ask them in advance and that you understand the process and the timeline for all this to be done. And if they do determine you're at 78% or better, how quickly they will figure out how to get your mortgage insurance off, so when you're going to stop paying it. When you reach out to the bank, they will make you pay for that appraisal, as I stated. They will usually have an appraiser come out and value the property. At that point, if they agree that it is at that 78% or lower, they will notify you, and then they will arrange to have that payment reduced by the amount of your mortgage insurance for the rest of the life of your loan. So it's a really great opportunity. Some people don't realize they have that opportunity until it falls off organically by you paying it down. But with the way things have been appreciating so quickly, some clients are saying that they don't want to refinance. They think they might move in the next few years. This is a great tool. Also, if you just bought within the last year or two, and you may have put 5 or 10% down, you may be at the level where you can have this mortgage insurance removed. So it only takes a few minutes to check. Keep in mind that not all mortgages have private mortgage insurance charged this way. So you may get on your online banking and be a little bit confused as to whether you have it or not. Feel free to reach out to me. Maybe be prepared to send me a copy or a screenshot of your statement, and I'll try to help you figure out if you do pay that kind of insurance that might be able to be removed. So please share this video with any friends or family or coworkers. We're all trying to get ahead right now, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks. Take care.